Welcome to my class. After such a long break, I am back again with another lesson. So in the previous lesson, we have been learning alphabets from alif to badiye, and now comes the turn of making do harfi alfaz, means letters, words with two letters. So the first word is re plus b, that makes it rub. In English it is God. The next word is, then we write rub like this. Then the next word is tal on seen, which comes together and become thus. It is written like this. Then jeem and gav, that is jug, and jug can be written like this. Then kaf plus be, kab, that is kab. Alif mada meem am, dal noon din. So this is rub. In English it is God. Thus 10 jug. In English it is also jug, the thing we put water in. Kab, when. Mango. Din, day. So this is the lesson for today, and today we learned words with two letters. Thank you. Have a good day.